Hello, my name is Jason. I'm the owner of Alloy Wheel Repair Specialist, servicing areas in Minnesota and Wisconsin. Today I want to talk to you guys about custom coloring. One of the services we provide here is custom coating of wheels. We can pretty much do about any color you want. I do have, behind me is our wall of some examples of some of the custom coloring that we have done, just some of the stuff that we have on display. So we can do about any color, whether it's black, white, red, green, purple. Stop by today. We can give you guys a quote to do whatever you're thinking, or we do offer free wheel inspections as well. We can be reached at 763-631-0319, or you can visit us at alloywheelmn.com. See you soon.